Hi everyone, with me today I have this 46-inch rolling duffel bag. Now this is the perfect companion for deployments, long trips, or big storage needs. Measuring 46 by 20 by 20 inches, this duffel bag fits everything, and I mean everything. It even takes up our entire SUV trunk. Now the heavy-duty design is made with polyester fabric that can handle anything. Think of airports, train stations, or even outdoor terrain. It's tough, it's durable, and it's made for people on the go. Now, even if you're rolling through uneven terrain, this is no problem for the skate wheels. You get 3 of those in the bottom, plus a telescopic handle that makes it super easy to pull around, and you also get the reinforced back columns that keep it balanced. Now, it features 2 nice front pockets for quick access to smaller items because no one wants to dig through this huge bag for just your headphones or just your chargers. Plus, there's a huge inner pocket as well, and as a bonus, you also get a lock and 2 keys to ensure all your items are locked up. When you're done, it does collapse flat for easy storage. You can place it under the bed, in a closet, or just out of sight. And whether you're packing for a military rotation, a camping trip, or you just need a bag that holds everything, this duffel is my ultimate choice. You can grab yours on Amazon now and make your next trip stress-free.